Okay, so who's gonna eat the lettuce on the floor and the tomato right there? Which one of you? No way. No, I'm joking. No.
Does it count?
No, it don't.
Hey, do we lose?
No, bro. Just put it on the floor. That's crazy you even picked that up.
Okay, hold on. We can't take a picture with you before the other guy because that guy's gonna lose his shit.
Yeah. He might come kill us.
We have to wait. We have to wait. Take a picture with the other guy because the other guy's gonna lose his
I
mind.
know you're watching. Just pull up. It's his music.
Is it rap?
Mm-hmm.
Country rap. Like Young Gravy?
Oh, yeah.
It's kind of like the same.
Like you get with young moms?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you guys did great. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna cap. Good job, guys.
Thank you.
That's good sportsmanship right there.
Yeah. It's not like I
You
tried to
went for the-
sabotage
you
or
not-
anything.
yeah, it's not
Guess
like
what? Your boy's about to be twerking
yeah,
for us.
yeah.
Oh, that's what it was?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's twerking, ass out and everything.
Tell them agents like
You
this
literally
shit
about to throw
oiled
up.
up.
Yeah.
Dean,
Now
lock
mine.
in. Dean, lock in.
Are you
Bro,
good?
Bro, don't you dare.
You gotta hold it. You gotta hold
you
it.
might
Just
throw
swallow
up.
it. Come on.
Swallow.
I know you said it a couple times. Come on, swallow.
No, he didn't.
That's a nut joke.
You got like 5 minutes for that.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
the drink. Did we finish it?
No, just body it.
The
Body it.
drink.
Don't even think about it. Don't even think about that shit.
The
Just
drink,
body it.
then we're done.
Just body it. Come on, Dean.
Esfand, do bro, stop
Esfand,
fucking
do
me,
not
bro.
puke. I swear to God, if you puke.
This is your bag right here, bro. This is your duff.
This man act like he did something all day today.
Dean, all you do is complain, Dean. All you do is complain.
Talking about to throw up.
Imagine.
Are you feeling it now?
Time?
Well, I drunk everybody.
4 minutes.
That was me.
No, this is the drink.
We're actually not shooting video. We're just trolling. What's that? A food thing. Yeah.
I'm about to throw up. Please fast.
Go, Esfand.
We have 4 minutes.
Go.
There's oil.
Fuck's sakes. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what Buddy with the Audi went. I'm kind of worried.
Wait, this is me before the fuck. Okay, maybe stop.
What are we at? What are we at?
Hurry up. Come on, bro. Stop in the pitch.
You go 4.5 minutes, bro.
Brain freeze. Lock in.
We're shooting for homecoming. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. We're shooting a food thing.
This is 30 years old.
Like a food review or what?
Yeah, it's a review. We're about to review all the food we ate today.
Dean, don't throw up, dude. Chill out, bro. Dean, chill out, bro.
Don't. Esfand, faster.
Bro,
I'll just
if
do
you
it
hurry
if
up
you
and
can.
finish it, we'll be done.
We'll be done. Lock in.
As soon as I finish, we're done.
Yes.
Yeah, we're done.
Put it in your throat.
Just swallow. Suck it in and swallow. Come
Slide
on.
it down.
Slide that shit down your throat.
Yeah.
Ah! He's about to throw up.
Oh, I couldn't move. I was risking throwing up. I couldn't move.
Bro. Oh, he's on his knees.
Oh gosh.
Now, mind you,
That's the record.
oh, you got to manage it. You'll be fine.
Now you will throw up together.
Yeah.
That's what we did. Come on. It's a ritual.
A circle throw up.
Well, y'all all threw up?
Oh, we all throw up.
But they're better than y'all, so they're.
Wait, you did? You actually threw up?
All in the same pile.
I actually might lose it.
Me too.
I drink almost the whole Dr. Pepper.
I don't know if I can be around for this.
We ate a lot of food. A lot of food. A lot of
join.
calories.
I'll join in. I didn't
I have
even
In a
very
very
weak
small amount of
stomach.
time.
We
To be
died.
honest with you.
Way
Came
over
back to
10,000.
life and died. Wait, can I
How's it
subscribe?
feel?
It's, look up.
Yeah, don't feel
Right
good.
in front of your face.
My name is McConnell Red.
What is this?
Oh, yeah, you can look up Safari.
I'm just kidding.
itsKatchii. itsKatchii.
Tell Jason I gotta call him back, bro. I'm about to throw up. I can't talk right now.
Oh, God. Wait, should I puke? I feel like I should puke. I feel,
Hey, you do what you want to do. Nah, it don't matter. I got you right.
It's going to come out one side or the other.
Okay, maybe I end stream before you.
Bro, oh, no.
Lahi.
It's not a ban. I mean, manager,
true.
Twitch manager,
He knows Kai's in that.
You got a manager too, right?
I
He
puked
knows
and I
Duke
was
Dennis.
fine.
Oh yeah, you proved live.
Yeah.
Bro, I tried calling you, bro.
Hey, get that ass out.
Oh shit.
Get that ass
Get that
ready.
ass out, Agent.
Yo, shake that
Hey,
ass.
Jason.
Let me tell you something. Y'all got disqualified. You know why? Y'all had a fucking Shake Shack milkshake and didn't finish it and went into the next drive-thru. Y'all
killed it.
cheated.
What is he
Y'all
saying?
cheated. Y'all cheated.
Jason.
Get that
Yo,
ass
Jason.
out.
Hold on. Wait, Jason.
We need that
Jason,
butt. We need
calm
that
down.
I'm hearing you.
You listening to me?
He's about to lose it.
Stand up, pull them pants down, and turn around, my boy.
Hey, make sure that ass is waxed, yeah?
Let that shit wiggle.
I would've, but y'all cheated, bro.
Grab the baby oil,
Hell
too.
no.
The nigga with 5 people talking
We was
like
promised
this.
butt. We was promised butt. Give us
I'm
butt.
trying to see that weenie.
No, bro.
Let me see that weenie.
Promise us ass.
I'm trying to see that weenie, Jason.
I don't know.
Hey, you promised butt. Let's have that butt.
Jason's over, bro. It's over, bro.
Wait, this is so weird.
I don't know. I wasn't watching. I didn't
Doyle
see.
came here and congratulated niggas.
From Shake Shack 3 drive-thrus ago.
Bro, they got to 18. We only got to 17. They got to 18,
Go ahead.
bro.
Just let it out. Don't hold it back no more. Just let it
Bro,
out.
I
What do we
can't.
do? I don't know what to do.
Bro, it's gonna feel good, but it's such a
Just let it out. Just let it out. It's better just sitting there. I know some.
No, I'm waiting on you to get tough.
Yo, he's got his hair back.
You still live, right?
Oh, that's a bad bitch. Look at that bad
Done
bitch.
for.
You wanna hold his hair, bro?
Like an end screen or something.
I got you, man.
I got you, bitch. Go ahead.
On Twitter. Hey, oh!
Oh, what the fuck?
Hold on, whoa.
What the fuck did you just show me?
This is so rich.
He just showed me his whole thing.
What? Oh, whoa, don't put the camera.
He just showed me.
Yo, Jason.
Why did
the
I need
leader?
to see that, though? Why did I need to see
Why did you show us?
Are you?
Yo, but we still need to see eyes, though.
Post on Twitter or did it?
Oh, God.
Oh, wait, I've seen this girl. Wait, this is actually no, I saw you on the clip.
Is it butt?
Bro, Esfand, you good, bro?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, listen, we won. You can
I
throw
know,
up.
I know.
You can throw up peacefully now.
I want to throw up.
Oh, it's okay.
I want to.
Get it all out, man. Get the demons out.
I've never experienced
I know, me neither.
I've never experienced this much food in my stomach. It genuinely, I don't even know how it's being stored in there. I feel like I'm about to explode.
They counted me out. You know what I'm saying? Look who's outside. You feel me? They counted me out. Look who's outside.
Gosh, like it's up to here right now.
Katchie's
Hell
MVP.
nah.
I'm second MVP.
Second.
Yeah, bro. Look at them. They're dying. Look all the liquid.
There it goes. Let it out. Come on.
Because you feed it all.
I did pee all that shit out. I was.
4,000 between both of them.
No,
all
between
four of
four.
us. Yeah.
You did
me.
too?
Yeah.
Oh, these motherfuckers filming.
She ate more than everybody.
Oh, my God.
Because I'm better.
They got you on film, bro.
Of a bigger capacity, I guess.
Dang.
No. Esfand got
All
Hey,
fours.
put an arch in your back real quick.
Bro, he got his hand. He got his hand tied back and everything.
All fours. Yo, you got to puke like a real man.
We good, baby. We good. We locked in. I feel amazing now.
You want me to hold your hair back?
Congrats, guys.
Thanks. Hey,
Hey, appreciate you, Doyle.
Tell your boss.
He's my boss.
He sent you over here.
No, I sent myself
He just
here.
called.
He did a boss
We
call.
need
That was Russell.
Chat. Tell him we need that ass on Twitter.
Yeah.
That was the bet.
Oiled up and everything. Wax.
Yeah.
That butt.
Pay up.
Yo, pay up with some butt.
Nah, congratulations, though.
This man looks so sad saying it. Congratulations.
Well, I know he's feeling pain right now, so.
He about to let that.
Look, he's on pleasure.
Don't show it.
Dean, you gonna puke?
Oh, he's done. Well, I'm not gonna lie. Being on all fours is not gonna help you. I think standing up helps a lot better. But I just
Put your
my
leg up.
take.
Put your leg up like
I
a
feel like you didn't do that much.
You tell it. I'm just built different.
Okay.
I'm just letting you know right now.
Listen,
I'm
because if he
fucking
puke
I'm
and you get me, I'm joining him. I just can't
I'm
watch
just
it. So
letting
just be ready to put it on her. Put it on